Forget the fancy restaurant and make this for your family because this sauce is definitely worth the hype. Welcome to my channel. Let's make one of the most popular sauce in Nigeria called Ayamase. To begin, add your washed offals to the pot. Add some water, onions, local spice, salt. Add some seasoning, then cover to cook. So this is the green pepper I'm going to be using, and then this is the rice, Ofada rice. Back to the pot to check if it's half done before adding the liver. So I'll be adding the liver and kidney now. Stir and allow to cook. The reason why I didn't add it when I started cooking the offal was because those other ones takes time to cook, and the liver and the kidney, they usually take few minutes to cook. And now I'm adding the kpomo to it. Kpomo is actually like cow skin for those who don't know about it. I added palm oil in a dry pot for it to bleach. This is actually made with palm oil, not vegetable oil. At this point, the offal is well cooked, so I'll drop it down and then separate it from the water, and also separate the kpomo because I don't want to fry the kpomo. I'm only going to fry a few out of it. The oil is actually bleached the way I want it. And I'm just going to be adding some onions to it to bring out that onion flavor. And then I'm adding the offals to it. I'm just going to fry this a bit. I don't want it fried. So I'm going to be stirring this while frying because I don't want it to be over fried. I don't want it to dry out. Yes, I still want that juiciness in it. It's well fried to how I want it, so I'm going to drop it. I added the smoked kpanla fish, which is actually hake fish in English. After selecting the dates from the Ofada rice, I added it to boiling water to parboil. The fish is well fried at this point, so I'll be dropping it and adding the locust beans to it. We call it uru in Nigeria. So I just added some dry prawns to it for extra flavor, you know. I like getting all the taste and everything that I want from a dish. I don't just cook, I cook to enjoy, I eat to enjoy. Yeah, and so this is the shredded pepper, the bell pepper and the Habanero pepper. So I just added it to the oil and then fry this. While that is frying, I went back to the rice to make sure that it's half cooked, and then I washed it. I used a strainer to make sure that the stones are settling at the bottom if there's any. In another pot, I had oil and started frying plantain with palm oil because I like eating plantain with this meal. So I added more oil to it because the oil wasn't enough, as you can see in the video. And at this point the plantain is actually well fried. So I'll just drop this and then continue with the sauce. I added grounded crayfish at this point. Some thyme and curry. This sauce doesn't really need too much seasoning. More salt to it. You have to be careful of the salt because remember we added salt to the offals while cooking it. So at this point I added the kpomo. I kept stirring for some time. I want the kpomo to be in the right texture that I wanted. I'm adding the washed rice to the boiling water. Added a pinch of salt, stir, and then I cover to allow it to cook. So I'm adding all the fried protein. Then I added the stock. Boiled egg is very necessary for meal. I can't eat this dish without adding boiled egg to it, or you can skip it if you don't want the eggs. So I covered it after adding everything. I stirred, covered, and allowed to simmer for some time. I had to stir again and taste it to check if everything is just how I want it, like the perfect taste and consistency that I want, and everything was looking so good and tasting so good at this point. I know some people might be confusing Ofada sauce and Ayamase sauce. Okay, let me tell you the difference. The difference is Ofada sauce is actually made of red Habanero pepper and all that, any type of red pepper that you want. While Ayamase is on the green side, green pepper, as you can see in the video. The word Ayamase literally means the wife of Mashe. She was a famous food vendor in Ogun State who perfected this green pepper recipe. It was so good, people could not stop asking for more. So every time you're enjoying this spicy goodness, you're actually eating a piece of Nigerian history. It's not just food, it's a legacy. At this point, the Ayamase is ready. Look at how good it is. And the rice is ready, and I just like serve it with plantain and inside a leaf, and which is actually looking very good and very tasty. So let me know what you think about this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. See you in the next video.